In this video, I'm going to be railfanning with my friends in Belmont, North Carolina, catching Norfolk Southern action, seeing an old telegraph pole, and a Southern Railway station. Let's get this video started. My first catch of the day was the Amtrak Crescent PO20 at 8:31 a.m. with number 146 leading. After the 4-hour late Amtrak Crescent went by, the next catch, just 10 minutes later, was NS93Z, a Herzog ballast train heading to Linwood, North Carolina. The leading locomotive is NS4308, a AC44C6M. The trailing locomotive is NS3624, a ET44AC. Now that 93Z is ended, let's give you a little history lesson. This Southern Railway station was built in 1916 and was abandoned by the mid-1980s. The building is now used as a restaurant. That's your history lesson for the day. Let's get back to railfanning. The next train at 11:05 a.m. was NS24X with a nice locomotive lash-up. Leading locomotive is NS4941, DC to AC conversion AC44C6M. Second locomotive is NS9881, a -9 44CW. Third locomotive is NS7515, an ES44 DC. NS24X is a high-priority intermodal train from Atlanta, Georgia Inman Yard to Jersey City, New Jersey, Croxton Intermodal Terminal. After NS24X went by, the signal turned yellow for a southbound train, and then later on turned green. And the train was NS153 with an AC44C6M leading number 4621 with a very foul horn. NS153 is a general manifest from Linwood, North Carolina, Spencer Yard to Irondale, Alabama, East Norris Yard. After NS-153 went by, that was my last catch of the day. I came back out the next day to check out the old telegraph pole hiding in a bunch of trees, owned by the former Southern Railway. And my first catch of the day was NS Local P43 at 12:06 p.m. with NS 3045 leading, and with the Operation Lifesaver paint scheme is the GP40-2. The trailing locomotive is a road slug. After NSP-43 went by, I came back out after 11 p.m. and caught a very early NS-25A with a -9 lead. After an early 25A went by, the signal immediately turned green for a southbound train, and it was NS-153 at 11:20 p.m. with 4576 leading. After NS-153 ended, my next catch was NS-154 after midnight with NS-4200 leading. After NS-154 ended, I came back out the next day to catch a special locomotive, NS-1030. Why is it so special? This locomotive, back in 2012, was with all the 20 heritage units in Spencer, North Carolina at the North Carolina Transportation Museum for a big event. So this locomotive has seen all the 20 heritage units at the same time. Anyway, let's get to it. This is NS-24X at 10:48 a.m. with NS-4500 leading. Hold it right there. What did I just see? Let's look back at the instant replay. No! My friend got in the way of my beautiful pan. That was my last catch railfanning in Belmont, North Carolina with my friends for this video. I will try to visit here again soon, even if my friend does get in my beautiful shot and pan. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow up my posts, videos, and shorts. Thanks for watching.